We are back at Central LRT Station, and it's Wednesday, May the 10th. And if you look at the new Fujitec Escalator, it's how I hoist it up in its place, and it's in the assembly, it's well on the way. And it's in good part that if you look at the elevator over there, you can see the cab is almost completely built, the new cab, and as well, the new call stations have been put in. And if you look over at the Escalators, it has yet to still be coming and put in. And if you look at the street the car goes out, you see the hoistway doors and it's being there, and you can kind of see down there a new call station has been put in. Now let's go take a look.
Next train, Century Park. Please stand back from the platform edge.
Yeah. And you can see, look at the new escalator up there. Putting all in this place, and the assembly as well on the way. Now if you look at this, the concourse, the trains out here. You can kind of see they put in a new call station there. And it's coming around now, and it should be almost ready to go. And new remodernized elevators almost ready to go. And then soon the new Fujitec Escalator will be almost fully assembled and ready to be put into service. And then up here with the overhead view. See there you have it, the new Fujitec Escalator. So, and then you can see the new elevator car is almost completely built. And other than that will be it.